Hey guys, so in today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing for you. I'm super excited because these products I'm excited to try. I got to kind of talk with the owner of this brand and I just love her energy, love her vibe, and I'm super excited to give her products a try. So the brand is called Shara Lee. I was able to communicate with them through Natural Avenue. I don't know if you guys saw the video how I'm collaborating with them, but I'll leave that up there. But pretty much she is the owner is a licensed esthetician. I can say that word. The owner is a licensed esthetician. She's in LA and she reached out to me on Instagram after approving my profile on Natural Avenue, and we were able to have a couple conversations back and forth. Amazing woman. You can tell she's very passionate about her products and she's just starting out, and already the reviews she's getting just from either my fellow Natural Ave creators and a few other people that she's been, sending her products out to, trying to get honest feedback from. And so far her reviews have been amazing. I was so excited to try some of her products, especially one of them, which I will show you because just the name alone made me love and appreciate it. So a couple things about the brand besides what I just told you. She wants to focus more on the body and connecting the body with the mind through the product. So getting that nice energetic synergy vibe when you using her products. So a couple of them can be used for the face, but she mainly dedicates the line to be for the body, and then just taking that time to go through that ritual, to not just rush through a shower or through a bath, to actually take the time to just calm and then just connect with yourself. So I'm super excited to show you guys what I got from her. I know what four of the products are, mainly because three of them I picked on my profile, and then when she was talking to me, she told me she sent the stuff, she added some goodies, and she just told me that there was a loofah in here that I might need to work with before I could use. But other than that, there are some other goodies in here. So the box gets shipped, or she sent it to me in this kind of box right here. There was bubble wrap, so look, she packed it really well. There were layers of bubble wrap because her products are glass, so there was a breaking issue if it has a potential to break. Luckily everything came intact, nothing spilled. I just went ahead and took off the bubble wrap because if not, this will be a very noisy video. But let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys. I would try to lift it without breaking it, but just imagine all that with bubble wrap. So yeah, of course, right off the gate, loofah. She says this was used, or the loofah is included anytime someone orders a body wash. It's because she says the best way to use her body wash is with a loofah. So she sent this, which means I got a body wash. I'm so excited. I didn't know about the body wash, so that was one of the things. Oh, that's okay. This one is an Aura cleansing, energy boosting coffee body wash, and it says release and renew. Hopefully this is coming in so you guys can see it. This is a 8.5 fluid ounce jar. Another thing, of course, it's Natural Avenue, so all the ingredients are safe and natural, come from natural sources, so that's always nice. Let's go ahead and give this a smell. I like that consistency. Guys, oh my gosh, that smells so good. Like, there's a coffee scent, but this is like I don't know, but it smells so good. I'm making a mess. I don't know what kind of coffee, but it's like flavored coffee. And come on, you can go back. There we go. Oh my gosh. I wasted some so I can still smell it, but it's like I'm just going to say flavored coffee. So coffee with some creamer in it. I don't know, but it smells amazing. I'm so excited to try this. So I have a body wash. I requested her green tea toner, face and body, mainly because I saw that it has AHA and BHAs, where they're just great for the skin. So I originally bought it because it said for face, and then she was like, oh, I mainly focus on body. I'm like, oh, it does say body there, but I really wanted to try this mainly because AHAs and BHAs. So I'm super excited for this one. It smells just like green tea. Would not expect anything else. So ingredients wise, there's a lot. Aloe vera, green tea, peppermint oil, glycerin, witch hazel, willow bark. Oh, my skin is going to love this. Non-GMO, vegan, cruelty-free, no synthetic fragrances, paraben-free. My kind of brand. Homegirl, we gonna be in connection with each other for a long time because you speak in my language right now. One of the other things, was one reason I had to open the box because I ordered a body cream, and just because Texas heat and it's just been hot all over the country, I wanted to make sure it didn't melt. So this is the Lavender Buttercream Grateful Calm. It's a little disturbed because, again, it melted slightly, so I had to go in and mush it around, but I love that it's not a super strong scent and that the consistency, yes, it's a body butter, but it's like so soft. She did say that this would probably be a little heavy during the summer, but I don't really use body creams in the morning. I like to use them at night when I'm able to sleep and it can soak into my body. So I was like, this is perfect for the nighttime. Feels so good, smells so good. We're just gonna leave that on, make it seem like a little bit of perfume. This is what like drew my attention. It's taped. Oh yeah, this is another thing. All these were taped, or at least this was taped, but I had to open it. This is the Black Moon Dust. I love that name. I have obsession with moon. I love color black, so this was perfect for me. This is the Cleansing Body Polish Patient and Focus. And just from what I'm seeing from her reviews, like, this product is freaking bomb. I'm excited to try it. I don't know what it smells like. Very minty though, but it's kind of got stuck together. I'm gonna have to smush it apart so it's a little bit more, but super soft. Like, from what I've been seeing from the reviews, it's like a very fine powder. So if I remember, I'll do a little swatch test so you guys can see it. But just the name alone made me want to try this product. I'll let you know how that goes. I definitely will be doing an updated review with this brand just because I am that excited about it. So the last thing she included, oh, that's sweet. She put in couple of her bar soaps. I know on her site she has several. So this was very nice of her. This is the Double Mint Chocolate Soap, Cocoa Butter, and Spirilla Powder. Okay, smell it through the box. Not really. Smells like mint, as it should be. This is a 5.3 ounce bar. That's actually a really decent size. This is the Sea Salt Lavender, Himalayan salt and French lavender. I was about to say French vanilla. Woo, read, girl. Oh, it smells so good. I don't remember the prices of everything off the top of my head. I will put that down in the description box below. Also, as I'm testing it, you know, with Natural Avenue, I do a first impression and then I go through the testing. So all this information will be on in that link down below. I'll put the prices in the description, and you'll also be able to click through my link through my store, and you'll be able to see these products for yourself. And you can kind of just follow along as I test them out, aside from when I do the videos. This last one is French Rose, Himalayan Salt, and Rose Hip Seed Oil. I don't know what that smells like. A hint of rose, but it's not overpowering, which I like. Oh my gosh, she spoiled me. I'm so excited to try all these. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is all from Shara Lee. I found out she's Black owned. I'm just like, excuse me, ma'am. Yes, hello. I know some of you guys ask me when I do some of my reviews, are the products Black owned? And I'm proud to say that this one is. Again, she is a licensed esthetician, so she knows her stuff. She's been studying for it. This is her brainchild. She's just starting out. So definitely go on Instagram, check her out, her stuff, send her a message, let her know Noria sent you her way. You guys can interact with her. She is super sweet. Hope you guys enjoy this little unboxing. Keep going back to my links and just kind of update with my videos, because I will be doing more reviews on this. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you know when that happens, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.